Wow, life is short. I just picked this out this morning. It's part of a bookends project that I made in 1989 for my book The Incredible Router, and you can see how it exploits the use of various router cutters. For instance, this massive finger joint cutter that is used to profile the edge. What a wonderful tool. I dubbed it then as the most versatile tool in the world, certainly the most versatile tool in the workshop. And look, here's another one, another project that I designed in 1989. It's a table mat or for a cup or a hot jug of something, and it demonstrates freehand routing. I mean, it really is so simple. It's just a piece of wood, and you demonstrate the router using a straight cutter, setting the depth to just a little bit past the halfway mark. But it's such a simple project, and you know, contrary to what other people say about learning routing and using a fence and jigs, it's much easier to go in the deep end and learn how to route freehand. You just route in a series of very shallow passes or cuts, and there you are. You see, it's very, very simple. But all these are in my book, The Incredible Router, which that's the original edition. But projects, really simple to make projects like this, are available on my website. However, the point of this short video, please forgive me, is I'm selling the last few copies of the first edition of my book, The Art of the Carpenter. And there are one or two minor mistakes. This is why I'm selling it at half price. I mean, they are minor mistakes that you probably wouldn't notice. There's actually a stray word that I'm literally going to Tipex out of the remaining dozen or so copies. I've also got a new website, a new shopping cart with all my publications. They say you shouldn't blow your own horn, that craftsmen are supposed to be modest, but all my content is original. It's not copying off other people's ideas. So when you watch my videos here on YouTube, or you buy my online publications, which incidentally help me finance these videos, these free videos, what you are getting is original content. The only thing that arguably isn't original, but the presentation is my encyclopedia of woodworking techniques, which obviously draws from the traditions stretching back centuries of woodworking technique. This is very brief, and thank you for watching. And please, whether you press the notifications button or you subscribe, please do visit my online Wood Domain media store. Thank you for watching.